When I look at traffic source or traffic data from AI tools from clients, generally, this is correct. We see ChatGPT sending the most, Gemini. Not always. Each industry can be a little different, but this is the general overall trend we see as well. So just keep in mind, those are the two main ones kind of making their headway as things move forward here. And understand that the growth rate of these AI tools is actually slowing down. That doesn't mean the growth rate is going down, just the growth of, right? More people are getting on it, but at a lower growth rate. It's starting to slow down, which kind of tells us, okay, maybe we're hitting a point where we do know Google is going to continue to be the dominant force in search versus something like ChatGPT. But overall, the way I view it is ChatGPT or any LLM or AI tool is not replacing Google. It's just becoming another stop on the internet. We see Google search here on the left before using ChatGPT. People search 10 and a half times per week. And then after using ChatGPT, they actually search 12.6 times on Google per week, meaning ChatGPT is actually creating more search. The way I talk about it is Facebook, when that added search, a lot of people thought Facebook was just going to replace Google and Google was going to die. Reality is it just became another spot on the internet that people went and utilized, right? It's kind of an ecosystem. You have social, you have ChatGPT, LLMs, all of them. You have Google, you have Bing, you have Amazon. They all do work together to some extent. And if you think SEO is dying, here's just one more data point. We see blogs being read more than ever. It's not the first time people thought blogs are dying. I can say I personally actually spend more time on blogs now, just because I try to get away from some of the summations of things to kind of actually read what the expert is kind of saying on things. So I get their direct take. But we do see overall blogs are increasing in views. Talking about the realities of search, well, LLMs and AI tools have created a space with search for themselves. They are not taking away Google's dominance. It's possible in 2026 we will see click-through rates come up, but we should continue to think of SEO differently. Adoption of AI tools is cooling off. Blogs are definitely not dead, meaning SEO is definitely not dead. And one of the things I would just kind of take away from that, AI search ranking for it is very important. You need to future proof yourself, but you don't want to sacrifice the now or making your money off of Google where like you're going to get a lot of traffic.